Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Megan Racing front pipe on the Gs300. So let me show you what that looks like. They give you extra gaskets and nuts and bolts. I don't know if you could see, but the bolts and the nuts are literally rusted out. There's no way I could take that out, so I'm just gonna, oh wow, I could just move it with my hand. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut it out.
2 seconds later.
Alright guys, so the bolt snapped and I don't have the right tools to take it out, and it also started raining. So tomorrow in the morning I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop, get the front pipe installed, delete the resonators and delete the muffler, so it'll be like I'll only have the cats. But other than that, it's gonna be straight pipe from the back. So yeah, let's go do that tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do a muffler delete on the GS. Yeah, you can show it.
We're basically gonna take these two bullshits off and these two resins off.
And we always come here. I highly suggest you guys come here. Let's go outside, we'll show the fucking thing. They have cats everywhere, so if you love cats,
20 cats.
Just pull up over here. This is right across from City Field.
It's so cold.
This is right across from City Field. Look up Premier Auto Body.
Search up Premier Automotive and the exhaust shop. This shop is huge.
Yeah, it's really huge. So after I bought the car, I realized this goes on a lot when I'm on the road. It's on both sides.
That's the shop right there. They do inspections too if you guys need inspections. But yeah, make sure to hit them up. Tell them who sent you. You already know.
We're just literally out here chilling.
Sometimes y'all people exist to tell you the truth. In some old space, I'm cutting off ties and getting my loot. Cats don't have to see, gotta move fast, I gotta improve. Cause you're not forever. When Jonathan died, I was my living proof.
20 minutes later.
They already cut this muffler off. Now we're just waiting on the other one. Oh, they already cut it off. And these are tips that's gonna go on. If you remember from the Mustang, we put these on, but as you know, the Mustang got totaled. So he gave me his tips. So it's going on the GS.
So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn that shit. So
since this was rattling with the mufflers, I'm gonna just take it off completely from both sides. You could see my T-Ain lowering springs, which came with the car when I bought it, thanks to the previous owner. He took out both of the shields. I definitely lost at least 20 pounds from these mufflers. No, that's not heavy. This is heavy. Solid 10. More than 10. 15. What? 15. 15, yeah, no, each. I also took the two resonators that's like on the car. This is at least 10 pounds. They already welded that up.
One side is on.
I just wanted a little more.
Carbon fiber tips.
I got you, yeah. The hanger?
This is from my boy's Mustang.
I already told him.
Yeah, he totaled his Mustang.
He totaled his Mustang. Nobody ran into him.
nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me.
Yo, what you got in your mouth, bro?
Watching, they be flying on me, they flying. It's hard to trust somebody.
One eternity later.
Rev it.
dude.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about catless headers, because I'm really thinking about putting it on this car. I feel like it'll sound amazing because it already sounds pretty good. But I feel like if I put it and then not without a tune, it'll shoot flames. That's what I'm thinking. So I'll do that, but let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if I should do it or not. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.